Today we are making sweet rolls out of already made bread dough. Buy it in the frozen food section of your grocery store. Thaw it out the night before in the refrigerator. Then spread it out on a pan. I sprayed the pan with non-stick cooking spray so we can spread it out. Now you take cinnamon on one and just sprinkle it all over it, just like that. Then we put our apple jelly on it. We're just going to smooth it out. Just smooth it out all over the bread dough. Just like that. Then we're just going to roll it up. Tuck in the sides. Roll it up. Tuck in the sides. Just keep rolling it. Tucking in the sides. So you get to the end. Okay. Okay, the apple one is done. Now we're going to do the raspberry. This is just raspberry jam. Just put about 4 tablespoons on. And we'll see how much we got here. Just spread it out. Since I have gloves on, I'm just going to use my hands. Just spread it out all over the dough. Then start at one end, roll it up. Instead of making cinnamon rolls, you can make whatever flavor sweet roll you want just by using jelly. Once you get them rolled up, then you can cut them into pieces. The raspberry one, I put in a greased cupcake pan. I'm going to make them that way. And then the apple one, I'm going to cut and put in a greased casserole dish. All you do is cut them about 1 inch thick. I want to say about 1/2 inch thick. And just put them in the greased pan. And then they'll have to raise to twice their size. And then we will bake it at 350 for about 25 minutes. And then we'll put icing on them after they are cooled. This is just an easy way to do a sweet bread. Instead of doing cinnamon rolls, we're doing it with different flavors of jelly. And just fill up the pan. Once you have them in your pans that you're using, then we have to let it raise for an hour or two till it's twice its size before we bake it. And make sure that you leave room in between for it to grow. Going to show you how to make easy cream cheese fluff icing. Need a jar of marshmallow cream, jar cream cheese icing. Put them both in the mixer. Just turn the mixer on. Medium high. for about 3 minutes, and you will have nice, creamy cream cheese fluff for cake, cookies, cinnamon rolls, whatever you want to put it on. Okay, once you get the first cream cheese icing container and the marshmallow cream mixed together, then we're going to add one more container of marshmallow cream. Okay. Get it all in there. This icing you can use, like I said, on cake or cookies or on sweet rolls. It's really good. We're also going to put 2 teaspoons of vanilla in. Just in case you didn't know, if you don't have a teaspoon, the lid of almost all vanilla is a teaspoon measurement. And we're just going to whip it for about 3 or 4 minutes. Our icing is done. As you can see, it's not a real thick icing. And that is because I use it on cinnamon rolls, fruit rolls, a glaze on cakes. And it's really nice and creamy and delicious. Okay, our apple sweet rolls and our raspberry sweet rolls are done. I flipped it out of the pan. This is the apple ones. And I'm going to put the icing that I made on top of them. That is cream cheese icing and marshmallow cream mixed together. And we're just going to smear it on there while they're still hot, so it melts right in to the sweet roll. Just spread it around. These I just put in a 9x13 pan. That's how they baked. And then the other ones, the raspberry ones, we put in a muffin pan. Just gonna drizzle some icing on those. Stick it on there so we can melt all around them. You can leave them plain if you like, or you can put whatever kind of icing you like on your sweet rolls. We'll just icing them all. Here are the raspberry sweet rolls and the apple sweet rolls all iced and done. Hope you enjoy the recipe. Till next time.